This is a Samsung 80 plus inch 4K TV set. The camera's over there plugged into a USB port. On the TV will come up a folder. I'm going to shut my camera down. I'm going to turn my camera back on. I'm going to hit the connection and hit OK so it could browse. It brings up the DCIM folder, DJI 001, and my videos. If I pause the video immediately, no need to play it. This gives you a beautiful picture of 80 plus inches in 4K. It is very simple to do it via the camera and USB. I have a smartphone that I can mirror, but when Wi-Fi of the TV and Wi-Fi of the camera, one of them is going to cancel the other out. I did that with GoPro, and it cancels out one of the items. So you're able to mirror. Well, I am going to see if I can mirror this on a different TV set later. How does that look to you? Remember, I'm shooting with a Mobius action camera. I'm going to bring your attention to the side, which the bad boy's not out right now. And he's over there. There's the bad boy. Bring the camera nice and close. And you can see how nice and crisp and clear that is. We're on screen mirroring. As soon as we turn our DJI on, we're going to open up the application known as DJI. We're going to connect and join. And we are disconnected just like that. And you won't be able to stream because the Wi-Fi of streaming is held in by your smartphone and your camera. One will cancel the other out. In order to simply stream, you're going to shut your camera off. You're going to get back into your streaming services. Go into DJI, open up, and in your albums, you're able to stream whatever you want. And that would be the only way you'd be able to stream via the DJI Mimo app. I don't watch video all day long on a big TV set. Well, back in the days when the Aptec AHD came out, they made that camera with the pixels for TVs over 55 inches. I hope you enjoy this video, how simple it is to play back on a smart TV without a media module. Just a USB-A to C cable, GoPro, and DJI. I thank you for viewing the DJI Action 3 playback on a large TV set. Enjoy your footage no matter where you're at. Have a great day.